Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to try something different. I really enjoy getting into the kitchen and cooking for my family. So I really wanted to get in there and share some of my staple recipes. And the first one that I'm sharing with you guys is my chicken and cornbread casserole. This is so easy, very family friendly, and I know that you're gonna love it. Let's go ahead and hop into it. Alright guys, so this recipe starts out with some chicken. I just cooked a pack of tenderloins in the slow cooker. You can cook your chicken however you want. You can cook it on the skillet. You can even use a can of chicken if that's more convenient for you. Then I melted down about 2 tablespoons of butter in my skillet, as well as adding about a half a cup of chopped onions in there, and I cooked those until they were translucent. By the way, all of the specific ingredients as well as the full recipe will be in the description down below. Next, I'm going to be adding in 2 bags of frozen mixed veggies, and this recipe is so easy, you guys. You can just use canned veggies if that's something that would be more fitting for you and your family. I just had these on hand, so that's what I used, and I'm heating these veggies until they're nice and warm. So since this is chicken and cornbread casserole, of course we need to prepare our cornbread, and I'm just doing the Jiffy cornbread. I'm using 2 boxes of those, but you can use whatever brand you have and they all work the same. So I'm just mixing all of the ingredients up, just following the directions on the box. Very simple, very easy and quick. You can also make your own homemade cornbread if that is something you would like to do as well. I realized not too long into this that I needed something better because this rubber spatula was not going to cut it, so I brought in some reinforcements, aka my whisk. Once my veggies were heated thoroughly, I went ahead and added a can of cream of chicken soup as well as a can of cream of mushroom soup, and I just mixed all of those together. Then I added in my chicken. For a little bit of flavor and moisture, I decided to add about a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. You can also use water with a little bit of bouillon. Whatever you have on hand would be perfect. once your mixture is well combined, you're just going to want to grease a casserole dish. And I had Corey help me out with this next part because that skillet was so heavy, but he went ahead and put the chicken mixture with the veggies into the casserole dish first, got that nice and smoothed out. Look at that. Corey is such a perfectionist and he likes to have everything super perfect, but I guess that's not always a bad thing, especially when it comes to cooking. So next, all you have to do is add your cornbread mixture over the top, and that's it, you guys. And then stick it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I did mine for about 20 minutes, but just keep an eye on it after that 20-minute mark. And oh my goodness, this is what it's gonna look like before it comes out of the oven. And then in just a second, you'll see what it looks like when it comes out. And there it is, you guys. There is your chicken and cornbread casserole. Super simple, super easy, affordable, family friendly. I know your family will love it. If you try it out, let me know down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.